Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So, in this occasion, I will explain to all of you about short run and long run production theory. By the way, my name is Trihutomo Yakiantoro, and without taking a long time, let's get started. First of all, there are four factors of production. Number one is capital, number two is labor, number three is skill, and the last one is land. By the way, capital is not always in the form of money. It can also be in the form of tool, such as machine used to produce goods or services. And it can so and it can also be in the form of buildings to conduct a business. And labor is needed to run operations and use the tools of available. Of course, the workers use their skill to make the production process run well. Meanwhile, the land in question must contain natural resource or raw materials that will be used in the production process. And next, we move in production theory. In production theory, there are two typical of production. The first one is short run production, and the short run, some factor of production cannot be changed, known as fixed inputs, such as capital, labor, on the other hand, is variable and can be adjusted to change output. So when producers want to increase output in the short run, they usually increase labor, not capital or equipment. And then the second one is long run production. In long run production, you cannot estimate that the production will run for 10, 12, or even up to 15 years. So within that period of time, all factor of productions use are variable or there are no fixed factor of production. And then production function. The production function is a technical relationship that connects production inputs with the resulting output. We can express the production process systematically as follows. Q equals F, X1, X2, X3, and etc. In the given formula, Q is represents the quality of production during a specific time frame, and the X is denotes the factor of production or the production process. Then total production. Total production is a total output is the combined production for a given period. This output varies depending on the factors of production employed. The production curve or total product, it's called TP, illustrated the relationship between total output and one fixed factor of production. The curve can be denoted as follows. TP equals Fx, where the TP is total output or total production, and the X is the number of variable inputs used. For example, like if there is only one type of variable input used, namely labor, then is written as follows. Q equals FL, where the Q is level of output and the L is the amount of labor required. And then we have average production, or it's called AP. In the AP is the sum of total production divided by the factors of production used during the production process. Average production can be denoted by the following function. AP equals Q divided L, where the Q represents the level of production, where L stands for the quantity of labor involved. The average production therefore equals the average amount produced by each unit of labor. And the last, we have the marginal production. The marginal production, or usually called MP, is the additional amount of output that is obtained from the use of more variable factors of production. It can be represented as follows in this equation. MP equals perubahan output divided by perubahan input equals delta Q divided delta L. So thank you and see you on next topic, short-term and long-term production costs.